democracy. Fellow East Africans, we stand here as East African citizens, mandated by the fact that Jumuiya ni yetu. We continue to witness human rights violations and the degradation of democracy across the region. And as citizens of Jumuiya, we stand as one. We stand here grounded in our East African identity as members of the East African community. Borders will not limit our brotherhood and sisterhood. The tragic occurrences we are witnessing in Tanzania go against the very principles that underpin the East African community. We stand here to state that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Contrary to rumors circulating, no elections are happening in Tanzania tomorrow. As all international media companies have been barred from entering Tanzania and many local licenses have been withdrawn, we raise our voices on behalf of Jumuiya, our Tanzanian comrades, and the people of East Africa. Tanzanians have spoken by stating, on our part, we haven't even described it as an election. As for an election to be free and fair, there must be at least a competitive election. This is not an election, ni maigizo or drama. Attributed to JK, a citizen of Tanzania. There are no free and fair elections happening in Tanzania. President Samia Suluhu is preparing for her coronation, as her only opposition is her very own shadow. All her main opposition candidates have either been detained or barred from participating by the Independent National Electoral Commission. The country has been reeling over a silent epidemic of enforced disappearances of dissenting voices, regular abductions, arbitrary detention, torture, rape, extrajudicial killings, and judicial harassments. These atrocities and crimes against humanity are primarily against perceived opponents of the current regime and many people who rally against electoral malpractice.